Colt reciprocating compressors are designed to meet customer satisfaction with utmost reliability. Our main aim is to provide compressors and products which are robust, reliable, and value for money. Colt provides lubricated and non-lubricated balance opposed compressors in 4 different frame sizes, that is HF, HFY, HFX, and HFN series, with base mounting and skid mounted options. These compressors can be 2-throw, 4-throw, and 6-throw based on the capacity required, and can have as many as 1 to 5 stages as per the discharge pressure requirement by the customer, ranging from 2 kg per centimeter square to 120 kg per centimeter square. Our skid mounted compressors are factory tested, ready to use models that require minimal foundation work or assembly work at site, resulting in easy and quick installation of your air compressor. Our non-lubricated design of compressors offers 100% oil-free air to your application. Our efficient gland packing design offers zero leakage, of thereby increasing efficiency of compressors. Some of the salient features of Colt reciprocating compressors are heavy-duty cast iron crankcase made of high-quality raw materials, cast iron crosshead guide with crosshead for movement of piston rod, high-quality cylinders made of graded cast iron or forged steel. Our SG iron crankshaft is with large diameter bearings for better rigidity. Large pin diameters provide better life to the crankshaft. Dynamically balanced flywheel offers vibration-free operation. High-quality bimetal main bearings, big end bearings, and small end bearings are used to increase the life of major components. Our connecting rod is forged before the precision machining to achieve the utmost reliability. Single compartment type distance piece is made of graded cast iron as per the international standards. High-quality oil wiper rings to prevent oil spill in cylinder. PTFE spring-loaded gland packing to prevent air leakage from cylinders. Colt reciprocating compressors use world's #1 suction and discharge valves from Hoher Bigger. Water-cooled intermediate plate and end plate to provide optimum and efficient cooling of the machine. High-efficiency intercoolers come with an option for copper and stainless steel tubes, and Colt compressors also come with an optional aftercooler. Our compressor comes with an external oil cooler, which results in better life of oil and other components of the machine. Our high-efficiency oil pump ensures better lubrication to all the parts of the machine. High efficiency and bigger intercoolers provide better cooling and better output of the machines. All our standard machines come with stainless steel tube intercoolers, giving intercoolers a better resistance to scaling and water hardness. Lubricated machines are fitted with high-efficiency lubricator, ensuring proper availability of lubricant at all the points in the compressor. Our machines come with premium PLC-based controller, with all major parameters of the machine being displayed on the screen, and comes with data logging facility and monitoring of all safety parameters.